What's your name?
Brayden.
Brayden what?
Brayden Maxey.
What is that? Say it louder.
Brayden Maxey.
Hey. Say it louder.
No.
What's my name?
I'm Maxey.
Mommy Montroy. What's Sissy's name?
Sissy Maxey.
What's Daddy's name?
Brayden Maxey. Ride.
What's your name?
I'm picking up, Mom.
What? You're picking up?
Picking up the book.
What's your name?
Brayden's picking up.
Brayden's picking up?
Yeah.
What's your whole name? Brayden what?
Brayden's rocking the books.
Brayden.
No.
How many books are those? Can you count them?
1,
Yep.
2,
Yep.
3.
Good job.
Let's put it up. It's up.
Are you building?
Emma. Let's do push-ups.
There's 3 books.
Fish books. Fish books.
Those are all by the same author, and you picked them out of your big old bookcase, didn't you? Because they look the same.
Mommy, I'm walking.
You're walking?
I'm not gonna dip it.